Hello, and welcome to the Air Purification Education Month in Review for August 2025. We will summarize some of the most important and interesting happenings in the air purification market from last August. Some air purifier companies are coming out with new products, and we have some interesting air purifier test results from a $14 million air purifier test as our number one topic, which we'll get to very soon. But first, let's start off our August summary with number 5, which is IQAir news. IQAir has now made the Autumn Room Air Purifier wall mountable. So you can get the following wall mount kit for the Autumn X for about $200 and hang it on your wall, which is pretty cool. I would like to see more wall-mountable air filtration solutions in the market than what we currently have available, as many folks don't have a lot of space on the floor to sit their units. You can access the wall mount kit in the link in the description. IQAir also sent a teaser that they are coming out with a new air purifier on September 8th, and we have a partial look of what this unit looks like. It looks like it may have a handle on it, and it looks like it is cylindrical in shape like an Airpura or AllerAir unit. And it looks like the purified air comes out the top of the unit, which would make the airflow similar to a Levoit or Oronzi cylindrical air purifier. I've been following IQAir for over 18 years now, and they don't come out with new units often at all. They are very careful with what they bring to market, so I'm pretty excited to see what they have to offer. You know, what the cost is, how large the unit is, if the unit has carbon in it or not. I think it was a mistake to not have carbon in the Autumn Room solutions that they came out with a few years ago, as I've had many people tell me they won't buy the Autumn Room units because they don't have any carbon in them. So I'm very interested to see what IQAir has to offer. Again, September 8th, we should be getting more details. It's just a few days away. Number 4, Aeris 3-in-1. I made an update video on the Aeris 3-in-1 situation a couple of days ago, which is on my YouTube channel, and some folks are looking for replacement filters for their units. However, iRobot is not currently manufacturing them, and Sylvia of Sylvain mentioned on LinkedIn that Filter Monster plans on having Aeris 3-in-1 filter replacements available in October of this year, which basically means in about 8 weeks in the United States. Filter Monster is a third-party manufacturer that makes replacement filters for many different brands of air purifiers, and they sell them for less money than what the original manufacturers sell the replacement filters for. Now, I don't know how good the quality of the replacement filters from Filter Monster will be for the Aeris 3-in-1 unit. If you saw in one of my videos in the past, I purchased a Filter Monster Austin Air HealthMate replacement filter, but I didn't think the gasket was as good as the one from the manufacturer, and the unit weighed about 20% less than the filter from the manufacturer as well. I'm guessing that it had less carbon in it. And I've seen some folks with other brands of air purifiers also complain that the Filter Monster replacement filters were not of the same quality as they received from the manufacturers. So Filter Monster told me that the Austin replacement filter was made in China and that it was an exact replica of the original filter from the manufacturer before I bought it. However, I don't think that's the case. So I doubt the Aeris 3-in-1 Filter Monster replacement filter will be of the same quality as the one which was originally made in Switzerland, and then iRobot moved the manufacturing for the Aeris 3-in-1 unit and the filters to China. But either way, this is just something for you to think about if you are considering purchasing a Filter Monster replacement filter for your unit. I'll put a link for the Filter Monster website in the description. Of note, iRobot has been providing huge discounts on their robotic vacuums, sometimes even 64% off on their vacuums. Yes, they sometimes provide more than 50% off on their robotic vacuums these days. So if you're in the market for a robotic vacuum, you may want to chat with them. I'll put a link to their company in the description. Now, iRobot is having some serious financial issues these days, so you're going to want to keep that in mind as well. On to number 3, Airpura. Airpura came out with something called Super Gas Carbon in August, which they claim is, quote, our most advanced activated carbon blend designed to handle the toughest environments. So if you don't know, Airpura makes some air purifiers with 8, 18, and 26 pounds of carbon in them. And they can create customized carbon solutions as well. based on individual needs. So they're very good units for odors, VOCs, and chemical absorption. And now this super gas carbon is going to be available for all their units in their product line. So it appears they have an even better level of filtration for VOCs and chemicals than even in the past. And their VOC and chemical filtration in the past was very high level. So maybe when I replace the carbon in my two Airpura V414 units, I'll try the supercarbon option. Maybe I won't. I'll have to learn more about it before making that decision. Either way, you can check them out in the links in the description as well. At number 2, we have AllerAir. So I've been familiar with AllerAir for over 15 years now, and I just got my first AllerAir air purifier last week. Yes, as always, I paid for it with my own money. AllerAir makes cylindrical shaped air filtration solutions. They are in Canada, but they have American-made HEPA filters in their air purifiers, and they also have a lot of carbon in their solutions as well. So they make tier 1 solutions. They are a quality option in the particle filtration niche, and definitely a high-ranking option in the VOC and chemical filtration niches as well. So I purchased their AirMed 1 Supreme, which is a small unit. It's about 19 inches tall and 11 inches in diameter. I think this air purifier is a great option, in particular for small spaces that want good HEPA filtration and a good amount of carbon at a reasonable price. This is something that is hard to find in the current market. And that is where I think this particular unit kind of shines, and it really stands out, right? So I'm going to run it for a while in my environment and add various products from their product line to my current best air purifier ranking lists. Since they have so much carbon and they tend to be very good for VOCs and odors, they will be some of the better options for applications like cigarette smoke, most environments with odor issues like kitchens and pets, nail salon chemicals, wildfire smoke. In fact, it took a while for me to get my AllerAir air purifier since they've been selling out due to the high demand from the wildfire customers. Now, do you folks have any idea as to how many wildfires Canada has had in 2025? Just take a guess in your head. Because even I had no idea how large the number is. Well, according to Wikipedia, the answer is 4,742 total wildfires, and this is just for 2025 as of August 27th. Which is absolutely crazy. And currently, it is the second worst year for wildfires for Canada, second only to 2023. So 19 million acres have burned so far this year in Canada, which is basically equivalent to the entire state of South Carolina. It's like the entire state of South Carolina just burned, because South Carolina is about 20.5 million acres. It's really kind of staggering when you think about it. So yeah, AllerAir has had a backlog on some of their units due to high demand, so if you order from them, you might want to inquire as to their estimated shipping times. Now, I do have a 15% coupon code on their units. That coupon code is DZAIR15. That will give you 15% off on their website. I have spent a significant amount of time analyzing and figuring out where their solutions fit on each of the current ranking lists, so those lists will be updated soon. And at number 1, we have some interesting test results from a $14 million, 3.5-year study on air purifiers in Finland. This is from a study called E3. I ran across this study from a LinkedIn post from someone at ASTHMA, I think, but I can't seem to find their original post, so I don't know who at ASTHMA had posted this. Anyway, it is called E3, and E3 is the Excellence in Pandemic Response and Enterprise Solutions Project. It was a 3.5-year project which combined expertise from 7 Finnish research institutes and 22 companies with a $14 million budget, and the single most important finding of the project was the result that in daycare centers, children's morbidity decreased by 18% when the air was cleaned with air purifiers. So 18% is obviously a very significant number for a reduction in overall sickness. I'll put a link to the E3 project download in the description. Now, there are a lot more things I could have added to this monthly update. However, I could be here for days talking about different stuff. So we're just going to cut it off right here. Hope you enjoyed this info and possibly learned a new thing or two. Till next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.